Okay, guys, so today we are going to solve a word problem using all what we have learned about trigonometric. So this problem says a pole that is 2.9 meters tall casts a shadow that is 3.134 long. At the same time, an every tower casts a shadow that is 35.5 meters long. How tall is the tower? So you need to round your answer to the nearest measure. So here there's something that is indirect measure like we have solved it before about Thales, the theorem of Thales. So we have here, for example, we can make a relation. Okay, let's use this one. So we have here the triangles. Realize that this triangle and this triangle have the same angle measure, so they are similar. So this is 2.9 meters, and this is the incognite, this is y. So what we can do here is to make a relations. Okay, so we have 2.1 meters over y, like this is this side. This is equal to 1.34 meters over the length of the shadow. So the length of the shadow is 35.5 meters long. Okay. So we need to solve for this. We need to solve this equation. So we can use the cross product solving for solve this equation. So it's this by this and this by this. In this case, we have 1.34y is equal to, let's multiply these two, 2.9 by 35.5. This is equal to 124.95. Okay, so now how tall is the tower? We solve this equation and y is equal to 10.295 over 1.34. How much is it, guys? Well, this is 76.82 meters. Okay, so questions about it? Carla, Ceci, Carlos.
No, profe,
No,
No,
es como lo que estábamos
no,
haciendo la
teacher.
clase pasada, ¿no? De
Yeah,
que
this,
con
this
lo que tenemos, o sea, lo hacemos para resolver.
yeah, this is a old topic because we saw it before. Okay, if you want to look in a book for this is called the Thales theorem. Okay, or if you want to look in internet or something like that, that is indirect measures. Okay, so this topic is very easy because you have to make a relationship between one side to the other side, and this is equal to the opposite side over the other opposite side. Okay, so they are similar triangles, so they have the same angle measures, so they have a relation between them. Okay, so now we are going to solve a problem involving the Pythagorean theorem. We solved the Pythagorean theorem before. Remember that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. Okay, so the problem says the length of a shadow of a building is 10 meters. So here is the shadow is 10 meters. Okay, the distance from the top of the building to the tree of the shadow is 14. So this distance of the shadow is 14. Let's call this C. Okay, find the height of the building. Okay, we need to find the height. This. So let's call the height A. A is equal, we don't know, and we have the base here, 10 meters, let's call this B, okay? So here we need to find A, and we have this formula with the Pythagorean theorem. So we can just simplify, is A is equal to C squared minus B squared. So A is equal to the square root of C squared minus B squared. And now we just introduce the data. Okay, so A is equal to the square root of C. C is 14, C squared minus B squared. B is 10. So we have that A is equal to the square root of 14 squared is 196 minus 10 squared is 100. So this is the square root of 96. And the answer here is the square root of 96. So A is equal to 9.797. But it says that you must round your answer to the nearest 10. So A is equal to 9.80. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, questions with this problem? Guys, talk to me, please. Say something.
No, profe.
Teacher.
No hay dudas.
No,
Ya
teacher.
habíamos dicho.
No,
Profe, ¿podría
teacher,
subir la
no,
lista,
that's
porfa?
Okay, so now this problem, solving a word problem using the law of sinus. Okay, so we have amount times, the official wants to know the length of a new ski lift from A to C. So we have this ski lift, this is A to C, we don't know this is the incognito, okay? Here, actually in the field below, the measured angle DAC is equal to 38 degrees. Okay, they then moved. They moved 340 meters. So this to the point B, and the measure of this angle is equal to 18. So what is the length of the new sky lift from A to C? So we have here one angle, and we don't know the sizes. I only have with this size, but we can know this side, okay, because we have remembered that we have supplementary angles, and if we have this, and this is 38, supplementary angle is equal to 180, so this angle here is equal to 180 minus the other angle. So how much is it, guys? Ceci, how much is it?
142.
English.
142.
Okay, 142. So we have now two angles on one side. Okay. So now to find we can know this other angle, right? Because we have this measure. So how do we find this angle, Carlos? This angle means here. Remember that the measure of all the inner angles are equal to 180. Okay. So to find this angle, let's call the angle C. C is equal to the measure 180 degrees minus the measure of the angle B minus the measure of the angle A. Okay. So we have that C is equal to 180 degrees minus the measure of the angle B. Angle B is 18 minus the measure of the angle A is 120. 142, and we have that C is equal to, we have this like 160, is equal to 20. Okay, so we have that this angle is equal to 20, and now we have a side, an opposite angle, and we have another angle, another two angles. So we can use the law of the sinus, and we want to know from A to C. So what we can use is the law of the sinus. Let's call this side the side B. Let's call this the length C, and we have that the length C over the sinus of the angle C is equal to the length B that we don't know over the angle over the sinus of B. And let's put the data. Okay, so it's 340 over the sinus of C. We have that C is 20. This is equal to B. We don't know B over the sinus of B. The angle B is equal to 18, right? 18, okay. So now we just solve this. So this, and B is equal to, let's use the cross product. Okay, Ceci, can you use your calculator, please, and tell me how much is it?
Yes, teacher.
What?
994, 99, like 994.99.
Really?
Yeah. It's yeah, it's 340, right?
Yeah, 340.
Yeah.
Well, so do it again, please.
Okay,
And for me, it's 307.17. One more points, okay, but we can run the answer. And this is 307.2.
ya me dio, no sé qué hice mal, pero ya me dio el número que usted le dio.
Yeah, because maybe you put wrong this number.
Yes, I think I did.
Because here we have that is 340, okay? Okay, how can we know that we are right? Because this measurement must be similar, or not similar, but approach to the other one, okay? So this is 340, and the answer is 307, so it's approximately, so it's correct. So now the last one kind of problem that you will see in your exam will be this. Okay, let's solving a problem using the law of cosines. We have that two airplanes leave an airport at the same time. An hour later, the planes are 248 kilometers apart. So this is the distance between them. Okay, so let's
Can I try to solve it?
Yeah.
Teacher, the Mauricio said he doesn't have internet.
Okay, don't worry. He can watch the class after in the
Gael, did you
recording.
say the Mauricio?
No, Mauricio now has internet.
The Mauricio because he's talking. He's talking like a cholo, so it's the Mauricio.
The
Okay,
Mauricio.
Okay, let me see.
okay, I got it. No problem.
So, okay.
Okay, so you will have two participations or two extra points because this is the second time you participate. Okay.
Okay, so
Does anybody wants to help your partner, your classmate? ¿Alguien quiere ayudar a su compañero? So here you need to
yes, okay, I can do it.
okay, you can do it.
Okay, so you already put here that this is side C. Let's say this is side A.
We can call and this B. What we have here is an triangle side. So if you remember the past class, we find the formula for a side triangle because we don't know any angle.
We have to use the law of the cousins.
Yeah, the law of cosines. And you solve for the cosine of theta. That would be the cosine of
Okay,
C.
so we're going to use the formula of the log cosines of the side C. So we have that C per square is equal to A per square plus B per square minus 2A V cosine of C. But what we want to know is how much is equal the cosine of C.
Yeah, the angle. Let's call theta equal to C, okay? To the angle C. So you need to solve for the cosine of C.
Well, I want to tell something that you consider there are technical same, but there are two different ways to clear that equation.
Okay,
So
do
it
it.
can be the way you told us in your video. It can be cosine of C is equal to C minus A per square minus B per square between minus 2A
AB.
B.
Yeah, that's the formula.
Well, I remember that Alex managed, well,
Another
use another
formula.
formula. Well, I suppose it gives the same result, but they organize it in another way. I mean, Alex put it like this way: cosine of C is equal to A per square plus B per square minus C per square between 2AB. I think that's another way to do it.
Yeah, it's the same way because if you don't have a key and you don't have here a negative symbol, okay, let me use another color so we cannot confuse. Okay, here, if you don't have here a negative symbol, and here you have, this will be the opposite because C squared is subtracting A and B. So if you solve it in this way, will be the same one because you will have here, if you solve this, C squared is bigger. So it's already smaller than N and B. So you will have here a negative part over another negative part, and this will be positive. And here you will have a positive number over a positive number. So it will get a positive number. So it's okay, the two ways, the two formulas are correct.
Okay, so I will use for respect your formula. Okay, so
Yeah, you can use the one that Alex gave you. The one that Alex gave you is okay. It's okay also. But
okay, but this time I will use your formula. Well, your arrangement or whatever. So we have that C is equal to 248 kilometers, that A is equal to 193 kilometers, and that B is equal to 170 kilometers. So
yeah.
it will be where do I find it? Wait, let me erase this. Okay, so it will be this. So it will be this way. Cosine of C is equal to 248 per square minus 193 per square minus 170 per square divided by 2 per 193 per 170.
Okay, but you miss the negative symbol.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Don't miss the negative symbol.
Okay, there you go. So we have to solve all the operations before we can divide it. So first let's solve the one up there. So we have
Okay.
248 per square is equal to 61,504.
Okay, negative.
Then
This is
yeah.
always negative.
Negative. Wait. Oh, negative minus. Let's see, 192 per square minus 37,249. So let's solve this. We have 5 5 2 4.
Okay, what are you doing, Carlos?
I'm doing the extraction.
But it's not extraction, it's that you have this over this. So the answer, because you have, it's not extraction, it's like you have to divide.
Wait, I'm doing step by step.
Okay.
Yeah, first solving all this, then I solve this so I can make the division.
Okay, yeah.
All right, so we have
Is it
okay, for
difficult?
the record, this is a 5.
Is it
Okay,
difficult to write?
okay, then that result we have to extract minus 170 per square minus 28,900. So we make the extraction and it gives minus 4,645. Okay, so we have here then it's minus 4,645. Now let's clear this one. So let's see. 193 per 2 gives
Okay, do you have a calculator?
yeah. All right. 103 per 2 is
Okay,
386, and then
by 2.
next 386 per 170 is equal to minus 65,620. Sorry for my bad letter. Okay, so we have that. Now that we cleared both of the operations, now we can make the extraction, which will give us let's do you which gave us this. Well, this result, as you can see, it gave me as a fraction. If we want to turn it into a decimal number, well, it will give us
0.094.
actually it gave me 0.070786.
Okay, you did something wrong because you made you made too much here. So when you put this in your calculator, only write this on your calculator. It must be something like okay.
Let me see.
Let's see, alpha A. So here you put this in your calculator. It minus 5 over. This is negative over negative. So alpha P is equal to 55,627. Okay, what do you do?
Oh wait.
Yeah, you did something wrong at your calculator because you only need to solve this.
What?
you need to solve this because you need a sandwich, a back sandwich. So all this over this is equal to 0 point, is equal, this is equal to 0 0.9, no, 0 0.09.
09?
Really? Okay. So let's clear this, Carlos, because you did something wrong. I'm going to write it here in this part. So the formula say that the cosine of C is equal to
Are you there?
yeah, I'm here. Okay, here. The cosine of C is equal to C
Teacher, I
squared.
can hear you.
Hey, can you hear me? Hey, now you can hear me?
Se le entiende.
Ya volvió, ya volvió.
Ya volví, se me fue el internet.
Ya veo.
Sí, y no sé si se grabó. No, sí se está grabando. Sí, that is recording. Okay, so I'm back. So, okay, so I'm going to share the screen again. Here.
Profe,
Se
tengo
borró
una
todo.
pregunta sobre el módulo, o sea, ¿se la puedo hacer o hasta que acabe la clase? O
Okay,
bueno,
until
deje de grabar.
then, let's finish this problem. So,
Ok.
Charlie, you were doing a very big a very big mess, but don't worry. What you can do is that you can just simplify. Okay, so the formula is the cosine of C is equal to C squared minus B squared over 2 times negative 2AB. Okay,
Why negative?
because the formula say that it's negative here.
I have, maybe.
Well,
Oh, it's because of the rest of, oh, okay.
yeah,
Because what I do is I use the normal formula. Wait, let me annotate.
yeah, you have another formula where this is
Uh,
positive.
it's,
This is
yeah, this is positive and this is positive as well. So yeah.
yeah, and this is negative and this is positive. So, but if you simplify the formula from the original, this is the good one. Okay. So here,
Yeah.
C is equal to how much? Okay. No puedo mover. Aquí está. Ya lo moví. C is equal to 248 minus.
Profe, a ella se le fue el internet.
Don't worry.
Aisha has no internet.
Yeah, okay, don't worry. She can watch the class after. Okay, minus B is equal to 180. Okay, over minus 2AB. A, how much is A, guys? Is that's my parrot. How can I say cotorro?
Parrot.
Okay. Okay, so this by B.
Wait a minute, teacher, but you don't have to multiply those by per square.
Yeah, no, the one below, no. Okay, so now you just put this in your calculator, please.
I already did it, and once again, it gave me 0.07078634563.
Tienes que ponerle el shift, ¿no?
Ajá.
Sí,
Shift
okay.
negativo.
But wait, just do the part above first and the part below after, and you will have something like this.
I did. Wait a minute. How much it gave you the part, the part up? Wait, what? Wait, let me do it again. All right.
No, this is not okay.
But the part above it gave me minus 4,645.
Yeah.
Teacher, you have to subtract the one that is from C.
Yeah, so this is negative. The part of is 200, 2065, 645, and the part here about is
Minus 65,620.
okay. So now let's divide this over the other one. And yeah, we have, well, you say that it's 0.070. Okay, only use until here, until this 7, and now you write on your calculator the
Cosine minus 1. Cosine minus 1 or arc cosine.
arc cosine. And this is equal to
85.94.
really?
Bueno, es que no sé lo que usted hizo, pero yo lo que hice, o sea, el número larguísimo que me dio la división, o sea, puse arc coseno menos 1 y entre paréntesis esa respuesta, o sea, me pone todas las respuestas, o sea, usted igual y lo hizo hasta 4 décimas, yo ocupé todas las décimas.
Ah, ok. ¿Y cuándo te dio con todas las décimas?
Pues 85.94084645.
Sí, así nada más usando las 4 primeras décimas te da lo mismo, te da 85.94. Yeah, that's okay. So the answer here is that this angle is equal to 85.94. Okay, so this is the answer. Yeah. Okay, so now questions about anything? Questions about this problem?
No, teacher.